Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Audrey, and I am coming on here today and I'm doing a review on Studio Gear Cosmetics. I recently partnered with them to be one of their reviewers of their brand, and they sent me a couple of products. They gave us the option of choosing between 3 kits, a lip, eye, or complexion kit, and I chose a complexion kit. And I will be doing a review today based on the products that I received. And I received a mineral powder, a foundation, concealer. No, this is a loose eyeshadow pigment. And then I received a concealer and what was supposed to be a contour stick, but they sent me the wrong shade. But I'll probably be using this for my under eye highlight. And I was also sent a sample of their foundation primer and eyeliner pencil and their blush. And then I also got some samples of their mascara and a green eyeliner. I think that is it. I have used some Studio Gear products in the past. I have a couple of their lipsticks, which I will be using today. This one right here in the color Flirt, and also their lip gloss. And it's just a clear lip gloss, but I love this lip gloss. But I did not see it on the site. I've had it for a while, but I did not see it on the site when I went and chose my other products. But I'll be using all of those today. I came on here with my brows already done because I didn't get any brow products from them. And I did use a concealer, and it's a bit light, but I only used it under the brow, so it's not going to be too big of a. So I'm going to go ahead and get started and finish the rest of my face. Alright, so I have my primer set down, and I am going to go in with the foundation. And like I said, I was skeptical at first, because I wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to really get a good match just by looking on the site. But just looking at the shades and knowing my skin and my skin tone, I was able to find my perfect shade. And again, this is the color Hazelnut in their Studio Matte Foundation. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and like I said, this was supposed to be a contour stick, but they sent me the wrong shade. They sent me light. So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to do it right under my eyes. So I'm just going to get my sponge again and go over that. Have my foundation and my highlight. What I'm going to do next is just go in and set everything. And again, they did send me a powder, a loose powder. It's their Dual Identity Mineral Wet or Dry powder, so you can use this wet or dry and it'll give you coverage. And I got the color Raw Sugar. And the packaging, I absolutely love the packaging on this. Like, it's just so sleek and so high end and classy looking. Like, it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. And this is again the color Raw Sugar. And I'm just pressing that into the skin first. I'm gonna go in later and brush off any excess powder. Like I said, I am oily, so we wanna lock everything in. All right, so now that I have that on, I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and just go over the skin. I'm gonna just take some of this powder and place that under my eye to catch any fallout. Okay, so I got my base shadows down. I'm gonna take that loose shadow, and it's in the color Peridot. And I just thought that was so cute because Peridot is my birthstone because I am a Virgo. Woohoo! And it's like that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really pretty shimmery green. And I'm just gonna take that on a shadow brush and I'm gonna place that in. Oh, that is so pretty. Alright, so I'm just gonna take my blending brush and blend around those edges. Alright, there is that loose eyeshadow, and again that is in the color Peridot. And I love it, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of that on the inner corner right there, just to give it some pop. Yeah, I like that. So we have that green there, and I think that is really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then we're going to come back to do the blush, eyeliner, and okay, so I finished the other eye, and so now I'm going to go in and use the Inline outline pencil, and this is in the color Natural. Alright, and there is the waterline done with their Inline outline pencil. And I'm just going to brush away that extra powder from. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face. Now, I did not get a bronzing powder or contour or anything like that, so I'm just using one that I already have. so now I'm gonna go in with my liner. All right, and the lipstick I'm using, again, is called Flirt, and it's a pinky champagne shade. So it's more of like a nude shimmery shade. Now for the liner, I thought about doing the green that I was sent. I don't think it'll look good with this particular eye look, and this is what it looks like. I will be honest and say that I'm not the biggest fan. I don't know, the consistency of it is just a little off to me. It's very sheer. So like if I did a swipe like that, I would really have to build it up to get like some good payoff on it. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. Let me go ahead and do the mascara real quick. Almost forgot. So I'll do that. So for the bottom lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and put that down there. All right, so I am back. I added lashes, and then I did go back and add some gloss, and I did liner, but I did not wing it out. But I am thoroughly impressed with the products that I received. Again, I received their foundation, translucent powder, a loose eyeshadow, this green eyeshadow on my eyes, concealer, and then I used their light featherweight contour stick for my highlighted areas because I received the wrong shade, but I still made use of it, and it is a great highlight. I love it. I also use the blush in the shade Crush, their inline and outline pencil on my waterline, and I think that and then I use their Impactful mascara, and it's really good. I really love the formula of that mascara. And then I use their, it's not called gloss, their lip lacquer, and this stuff is everything. It's perfect. It is real thick, thick in a way that's good. Like, it's not sticky, but it's thick and it lasts a long time, and it really feels good on your lips. And it's so shiny. So yeah, that is everything. And again, their primer. I will say, because I am oily, I do not like this all over my face. I will use it for the outer portion, my cheeks, and around the perimeter. But I do have to go in with something else for my oily areas, just to make sure that I have something that works well with the foundation, so that I won't get oily throughout the day. But overall, I love the products. The only complaint I have, not even a complaint, just a suggestion, is that they increase their shade range for the foundation, because the foundation is good. I love it. Now, I did find my perfect shade. But there wasn't a whole lot to choose from as far as foundations. I think they could add a few more colors in between, a few shades. And then also for the concealer, they definitely should increase their concealer shades, because I got medium, and even with medium, this was way too light for me. And this was more like a light shade instead of a medium. So maybe increase the shades in the hidden concealer, because I do like the concealer. I like the texture of it and the consistency, because it's not thick, but it's not soupy or watery either. Like, it goes on great for under the brows. And then I like the translucent powder. It's my perfect shade. Like I said, it was really a guessing game, making sure that I got the right shades, and I absolutely did. It was easy for me. Well, not easy, but I picked shades that ended up being perfect for me. And a lot of that comes with knowing my own skin tone and my own shades and everything. But yeah, I really like the products. I'm looking forward to working more with them, testing out more products. I do have a coupon code, and I'll also put this in the description bar as well. But you can shop the site using my code, and it is LMORE15, LMORE 15. And again, that will be in the description box below. And that is for 15% off. And the prices are already really good. It's priced kind of mid-range, not so high-end, not high-end at all, but not drugstore prices. But they do have great products, so I think the price point is kind of spot on. So yeah, I'll leave all the information for their site and the coupon code down below in the description bar. And if you guys are interested in seeing any more videos using Studio Gear Cosmetics products, please let me know, and I will try to see what I can find. And if you have any other ideas or suggestions for videos from me, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.